Looking for precision, accuracy, and efficiency in your work? Whether you're an architect, designer, woodworker, or artist, a T-square is a tool you can't do without. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the T-square, what it is, how to use it, and why it's an essential tool for multiple industries. A T-square is a measuring and drawing tool designed to create perfectly straight and parallel lines. It consists of two parts: the blade, a long, straight edge used for drawing and measuring, and the head, a perpendicular cross piece that slides along the edge of your workspace, ensuring stability and accuracy. T-squares come in different sizes and materials, such as wood, plastic, aluminum, and steel, depending on the application. The most common sizes are 18, 24, and 36-inch varieties. But you can find smaller or larger ones for specific needs. At Pacific Art, we carry T-squares all the way from 12 inches to 48 inches long. Let's start with one of the most common uses of a T-square: technical drawing and drafting. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or a student, this tool is essential for making precise, clean lines. To draw a horizontal line, simply press the T-square's head against the edge of your drafting board. This keeps the blade perfectly straight while you guide your pencil or pen along its edge. You can also use a triangle along with the T-square to create vertical and diagonal lines. This is particularly useful for blueprints, schematics, and architectural plans. Even in the digital age, where CAD software is widely used, learning to use a T-square develops essential drafting skills and helps you understand fundamental design principles. Let's talk a little bit about how you can use a T-square in graphic design or illustration. In graphic design and illustration, a T-square is perfect for creating balanced layouts, ensuring consistent spacing, keeping text, boxes, and elements aligned. Before digital tools like Adobe Illustrator, designers relied on T-squares for poster layouts, typography, and logo design. Even today, it's an excellent tool for hand-drawn designs and perspective sketching. In woodworking and carpentry, accuracy is key. The T-square is used to mark straight cutting lines, check right angles, and align materials. By pressing the head against the edge of the wood, you can quickly draw a perpendicular guideline, ensuring precise 90-degree cuts. Using a T-square prevents crooked or misaligned cuts, saving time and reducing material waste. Another great use for a T-square is for measuring and layout work. Unlike a standard ruler, a T-square provides consistent, parallel guidelines across large surfaces. This is especially useful for cutting mats, making signs, or designing large-scale artwork. For calligraphy and hand lettering, a T-square ensures perfectly straight baselines for text, evenly spaced lettering guidelines, balanced and symmetrical compositions. If you're into sign making or bullet journaling, a T-square can take your lettering skills to the next level. When choosing a T-square, consider these factors. First is going to be material. Aluminum is durable, plastic is lightweight, and wood offers a traditional feel, while steel offers a heavy-duty option for those that are tough on their tools. Next is size. For small projects, a 12-inch or 18-inch T-square is ideal. For larger work, you should shoot for 24 or 36 inches. This all depends on the scale that you're working on. Next is precision. High-quality T-squares have engraved or annealed measurement markings for added accuracy. You'll want to choose these over markings that are simply printed on the T-square. Whether you're an architect, artist, or carpenter, a T-square is a game changer for precision and accuracy. Now that you know how to use one, why not add it to your toolkit? If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments how you use your T-squares.